AI helps you write application. AI secretly rejects your job application. Here is how to beat that. We always hear about ATS, Applicant Tracking System. But do you know that ATS is powered by AI, artificial intelligence? The same AI that help you craft a compelling resume can also be the reason you get rejected. In this video, I will tell you exactly what to include in your resume and what to avoid so that AI can work for you and not against you. Let's dive right in. Make sure you stay to the end because by the end of this video, I will be telling you exactly how to make AI work for you instead of against you. So what exactly is ATS? ATS is Applicant Tracking System. It is a software that companies use to filter and to rank your resumes even before a human recruiter sees it. ATS evaluates and scans your resume based on this, the keywords, the formatting, and the ranking system. I'll explain. When we talk about keywords, the AI, that is the ATS, looks for specific words in the job description. So when these words are missing in your resume, the ATS can ignore your resume. Then let's go to formatting. Some ATS find it difficult to read complex graphics, complex designs. So that is why it's always better to leave your resume simple because you never can tell the kind of ATS that particular company is using, if it can read the complex graphics or not. So it's always better to leave your resume simple so that the ATS can easily read it. Now, when it comes to ranking system, the AI assigns a score to your resume based on how well it matches the job description. If your score is low, you might not make it to the next level. Just imagine you're applying for a data analyst role, and the job description mentions SQL, Python, Tableau, Power BI, and few other things. And in your resume, there is nowhere that these skills are mentioned. The ATS, that is the AI, can assume that you're not qualified, even when you have experience for this particular role. So when it's writing your resume, keep in mind that the AI evaluates based on the keywords, formatting, and ranking system. Let's look at the top reasons AI rejects your resume. Not using the right keywords. The AI scans and evaluates based on these keywords. So when you use the wrong keywords, read the job description. Check out the keywords there. Make sure that these keywords are in your resume. That is why it's always better to tailor each resume to the particular job you're applying for. We know we all have our resumes that we always want to easily use it to apply for any job we come across. But sometimes it's always better to update it, to make few adjustments to match that particular job we are applying for. This is missing keywords or using the wrong keywords. Then let's go to the overcomplicated formatting. If you remember, I mentioned earlier that the AI evaluates and scans your resume based on formatting. When you use complicated graphics like so many colors, sometimes the ATS might not be able to read it. These are one of the ways that it scans and evaluates your resume. So make sure you do not use complicated graphics. Make it plain and simple. Then the next one is submitting your resume in PDF format because we all believe that most people want PDF. The ATS reads Word, that is doc, instead of PDF. Don't put your resume in PDF assuming that PDF is the best. No. When it comes to passing or beating the ATS, consider Word, that is doc. It will help the ATS to pass correctly. Then the next top reason why you do not pass the ATS evaluation is missing job titles and relevant experience. When you're writing your job descriptions, even if your previous job experiences do not match exactly to that particular one, tweak it. When you're tweaking these things, you just don't need to change your job experience. You just need to use a different word, rephrase it in a different way. Because the ATS reads these things. When it cannot see that your job description is relevant to that particular job, it can ignore your resume and you will not make it to the next stage. And the next one is stuffing your resume with buzzwords. We all know you're hardworking. We all know you're a team player. Why not explain it? In fact, why not tell them how you've used team playing to make an impact in your previous experience? They want to see they want to see the actions. Stop using the buzzword hardworking, team player. Yes, anybody can be, but they want to know how you can use it for that particular role. If you can tell them how you've used your team player, hardworking, team management, if you've told them how you've used it effectively in your previous role, Then we understand how you can use it in the role you are applying for. So these are the top reasons why ATS ignores your resume. Like I said, not using the right keywords. Number two, overcomplicated formatting. Number three, submitting PDF instead of Word doc. Number four, missing job titles and relevant experience. And number five is using the buzzwords instead of breaking it down, how you've effectively used those words. Now, I'll be telling you how to make the AI work for you. Number one is use ATS resume scanner to tell you if your resume actually matches the job description or not. Some of the ATS resume scanners you can use are Job Scan or Resume Worded. And the next thing to do so that the AI can work for you is optimizing your skills section. When it comes to your skills section, you have to list the technical skills, soft skills, then your tools and certifications. You have to optimize these things very well. Let's take, for example, you can tell them that your technical skills are SQL, Python, Tableau, Power BI, R, depending on your skills. Make sure you optimize it and put these ones in your technical section. Then when it comes to soft skill, you can tell them that you have problem solving skill as a soft skill, and you also have storytelling as a skill. I'm giving an example with data analyst job. So you can put the technical skill, put the soft skill, and put the skills that align with that particular section. Then you can come to the tools and certification. You can say that I have Google Data Analytics certifications. Make sure you optimize this section. Take your technical skills and put it in your soft skills. It's not even list the particular skill you're about to include. You just put everything straight. No. Make sure you list that these are my technical skills. These are my soft skills. These are the tools and the certifications or license that I have. The next one is using bullet points. Most of human recruiters do not spend more than 10 seconds on your resume. And guess what? The AI is even faster. So here is the thing. Make sure, if possible for you though, maintain one page. Unless you have like 10 years plus experience or your job experience is something you cannot maintain on one page. But make sure you maintain one page. If you don't have vast job experiences, maintain one page and make sure you use the bullet points. This will help keep your resume concise. So pick this point, keeping your resume concise helps the ATS, that is the AI powered software, or even the human recruiter, if it gets to the human recruiter, to be able to see what they are looking for at a glance. So now I believe that you now know how the ATS, that is the AI, scans and evaluates your resume and how you can beat them. So if you found this video helpful, do well to subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and share to someone who might be needing it. So go right now, go update that your CV so you can pass the ATS and make AI work for you and not against you. Until I see you next time, my name is Chioma Nwosu. Bye.